I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use CarPro Iron X. First, prepare your vehicle by washing it thoroughly to remove any loose dirt and grime. This ensures the Iron X can effectively target iron particles. Make sure the car's surface is cool and dry, and always work in a shaded area to prevent the product from drying too quickly. Gather your supplies, including gloves for protection. Once your car is prepped, it's time to apply the Iron X. Spray the product directly onto the dry, cool painted surfaces and wheels. You'll notice a purple or red color change as it reacts with iron particles. Let it dwell for about 3 to 5 minutes. It's crucial not to let the product dry on the surface, so work in sections if necessary, especially on warmer days. After the dwell time, rinse the entire vehicle thoroughly with a strong stream of water. Ensure all traces of the Iron X are removed from the paint and wheels. You can use a wash mitt to gently agitate any remaining residue during the rinse. Finally, dry your car completely with clean, soft microfiber towels. This prevents water spots and reveals a truly decontaminated surface. Your paint will feel much smoother. After drying, take a moment to inspect your vehicle for any areas that might have been missed. If you spot any remaining iron contamination, you can reapply Iron X to those specific areas. To maintain that smooth, clean finish, it's highly recommended to apply a paint sealant or wax. This will add a layer of protection and enhance the shine. Also, remember to check the description below for a link to Darn Tough socks and other great deals. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.